Hey, what's going on, family? Shalom, peace and blessings, greetings, salutations, whatever you want to say. Oh, y'all see the dogs in the background? I got Luna back there with Chase. She's getting big, y'all, and she's able to handle her own. But anywho, today I'm gonna take y'all along with us, man. We're doing a little weekend family trip, celebrating my wife's birthday, man. We're gonna do some fishing, we're gonna do some cooking, we just gonna have fun, man. So I want to take y'all along with me, so let's go. As y'all can see, I got my fishing poles. We got our pool stuff. Yeah, we're gonna be getting in the pool too. Got our bags packed and all that. Went grocery shopping ahead of time because I like to cook. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna cook a couple meals. Look at them. Dad. Yeah. Hello. So we actually gonna be going about 45 minutes away from home. Oh, let me get that lighting better for y'all. Let me get that light. There we go. There we go. We going about 45 minutes south of where we live at, to Darien, Georgia. We're going to Darien, Georgia, like I say, which is about 45-50 minutes from where we at. So it's not like a long trip, but it's something to get out. You know what I'm saying? And so there's fishing there, piers, there's a pool, nice Airbnb. So I'm gonna take y'all with us along on the journey, y'all. We're gonna ride and we're gonna have fun and we're gonna cook and we're gonna get in the pool and we're gonna fish, hopefully catch some big fish so we can throw in our freezer. You know what I'm saying? That's why I wanted to get this place so I can go fishing. You know what I'm saying? But don't tell my wife that. But anywho, man, hey, y'all drop down in the comment section below. Tell my wife happy belated birthday. Cause like I said, we celebrate her birthday weekend. So, you know, tell her that in the comment section. So let's go. All right, y'all, this is what we looking at. You know, we out in the wooded area, but we got a lot of amenities around us. Definitely nice. And look, they got the bunk beds and everything. You know, with wood. It's nice. Nice place. Double bunk beds. They got all of it. You know what I'm saying? Cornhole. Just bring you right back out to the living room. We got this area to sit outside. Hey, I think it's pretty decent. Oh, let's see if this bottle of wine for us. Let's see. Oh, look, they got us a little note. Look, to the Wilson family. To the Wilson family, welcome to Emma's Driftwood Farm and Fisherman Quarters. We hope you get a chance to do some fishing and enjoy the family time. Of course, you know, I'm trying to do some fishing. We have provided some welcome goodies for y'all to enjoy. Let us know if you need anything. Hunter will be on call this weekend. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, look what they done got us, y'all. Fancy. See if they got something in the refrigerator for us, too. Oh, they got us some ice. Oh, look, y'all. Wow. Grits, charcuterie board, cornbread mix. Oh, okay. Hey, I like this. This might be a place we stay at often. Let's see. S'mores, look. S'mores. Shoot, come on, man. Okay. Look at this, y'all. Got the graham crackers, chocolate. I hope these vegan marshmallows. And they got us a little sticks to roast the marshmallows on. So hey, I say that's a win. That's a win, you guys. So I'm gonna unload the stuff, and you know, we're gonna just chill. I'm gonna do a little fishing this afternoon rather, then do some cooking. So I'm gonna show y'all my recipe. So I'm making some oxtails tonight. Tomorrow I'm making steak and fish, mashed potatoes and all that. But tonight I'm making some oxtails with some butter beans. It's gonna be on point. So I see y'all in a minute. What you eating? Y'all, who's ready to get in the pool? Who's ready to get in the pool?
We get in the pool.
Well. Y'all, we about to get in the pool. See y'all there. Y'all, look at this view. All that is water over there. That's the little marshy areas. And it's the pool right here. So yeah. Come on, y'all. Kamara, you better stay from by that water. Back up. Back up. Look at this, y'all.
Yeah.
Nice little shower house. It's beautiful.
Yeah, you probably have it.
And they got the hot tub up here, y'all. And look at this. Look at this. They got the little lounge area. It's nice, ain't it? Yes, sir. Let's see if they got anything in the fridge. Nothing in the refrigerator. Nope. Nothing in the cabinets. But yeah. This it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so it's day 2. I did a little fishing yesterday, but unfortunately I didn't catch nothing. And it started raining, so you know, and we got here around like 5, so you know, it was already, you know, sun was going down and stuff like that. But I made them oxtails yesterday, man. I forgot to record, but I'll record today while I'm preparing the steak and all of that. Once the sun goes down, because it is the Sabbath, of course. I mean, we still honor the Sabbath even though we out of town, so we're not doing no work, we're not doing none of that, man. But yeah, so we about to go fishing as a family right now, and then we're gonna do the pool, and you know, just see what else, you know, we can get into.
Go to the pool and fishing?
What?
Go to the pool?
What you talking about?
Can we go to the pool?
You wanna go to the pool? Sure. Yep. Yeah, they done been catching lizards and everything, y'all. But yeah, so let's try and see if we can catch a fish, man. Let's go. Nice little fishing pill. Hey, back up.
Ooh, I seen one jump all the way over there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See if I can get over there.
Look what we got, y'all. This your first time catching a fish, babe?
Yeah.
First fish, catfish.
Woohoo!
Yes, ma'am.
He's a baby, but
Oh, don't. You gotta be careful because they got them little things that'll stick you.
Give me one.
yeah, I want him.
Catfish.
I want him.
We might can use him. DJ, you fishing too?
Yes.
What you gonna catch?
A fish.
What kind of fish?
I didn't get the fish yet, but I'll get it.
I'm holding. Wait, hold on. You got chips in your hand. Put your chips.
Alright, y'all. You see me in the kitchen. I got some fish, some mahi-mahi. I got some steaks, some potatoes that I'm about to put on to boil them, you know, make mashed potatoes. And then I got the spinach. I got this frozen spinach that I got heavy cream for. I'm gonna make some cream of spinach. So I'm gonna just put it on time lapse, man. Y'all can watch me do my thing, alright? Got potatoes on deck. Got that gravy going. Final product, y'all.
To an untimely demise, leaving the bereaved,
Look at
shall
that.
we say, hey,
Now we about to dig in. I'm gonna catch y'all later. We finna watch a couple movies. Just enjoy the night. You know what I'm saying? Got some wine. We're just chilling. You know what I'm saying? We celebrating. So I catch y'all tomorrow on the way out, man. Alright, y'all, that's a wrap. So now, you know, of course we checking out, getting the house all cleaned up and everything. Great stay, man. You know what I'm saying? And I know this is a little bit different content, but you know what I'm saying? We just sharing our journey with y'all, man. We just sharing our journey. That's what it's about. But if anybody is wondering, this place is called Emma's Driftwood Farm. It is in Darien, Georgia. I mean, it's just a beautiful Airbnb. You know, this is one of many houses that they have on the property. They have horses. You know, they have a party barn. You can fish off the docks. There's 2 docks that you can fish off of. The one I just showed you is just one of them. You know, they have a pool and all that good stuff, man. And they also have bees, man. And this reminded me because I want to start beekeeping in the future, and I saw their setup and it was very simple. And it just encouraged me. But yeah, they have bees that they keep and stuff like that. But yeah, man, it's just an overall nice stay. I would definitely recommend it 10 out of 10 if you can. And yeah, so we about to head to the house, but I appreciate y'all as always for tuning in, man. Like I always like to say, if you get somebody the power to feed you, you give them the power to starve you. Peace and blessings.
Bombs over Baghdad really ain't that bad. Little wiretap, yes, yes. Little dodge in the IRS. Little haven from